Oh my god.
Hold up.
Spawn.
All right. I started my recording. All right, here we go.
That shit knocked me out.
No!
Already?
I just started.
Yo, shot you to the draw and it knocked me out. My body flew.
Yeah, I'm out of here.
You ain't gotta do all that. This boy got a gun.
Oh, yo, B. Who is this?
Let that shit spray, boy.
Yo,
I'm out of here.
What? Bro, what?
Out of here.
Wait.
Yo.
Bro, what was that?
All you have to do is drop the gun first, bro.
Bro, he missed though. How he hit me? And through the game, bro.
He did throw.
Hey, what's up, pussy? Oh my god. Oh my god. You get off me. Get off me, pussy. Get off me. Hey, Justin, no! Justin! No, Justin!
That's what I was trying to do last game.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Dang, slump party over here.
Oh, get off me. What the fuck?
Yo, what?
Oh my god, I missed.
Oh my god.
It was crazy. All right, come on.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Yeah.
Bro, how do I keep getting knocked out, though? Get it out! Get it out! Yes! No!
Easy.
Bro, I will not win with Ed here, bro. I swear to God.
Oh,
Bro!
This nigga so
for a
trash.
shovel.
Yo, come on.
Yo, get this man.
Wait, let me get in! No! Justin, you're an idiot! My God.
The shovel is vicious.
I'm out of here.
You fucking bitch.
No! Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God.
Wait. Why's your body there, bro? Why's your body there?
This nigga's finesse, bro.
Oh,
Yo.
I'm out of here.
Think you worry about
Oh, Justin's still in the game. What the fuck?
What? I thought he was dead.
But I thought he was dead too.
Oh no.
Jeez.
Yo,
Jeez, yo.
why are you still alive, bro? Bro,
You have to win this round. Yo, the way they run this so.
Oh yeah, feet. Get the dub, bro.
Oh.
bro, I did.
Get up, Pete.
Get off me!
About a fucking nose. I'm dead.
Pussy.
Everything.
Pussy.
Oh,
no.
Oh.
You're done!
Oh, get off of me.
He's doing this.
People.
Oh.
How you? Let me find out how.
You're done! You're done! Oh my God!
Yo, teach me how you doing that, bro.
Feet, your throwing skills trash, bro. Your throwing skills not the same no more, bro.
Brendan.
Sorry, bro. Sorry,
bro.
I can't.
He's still
There you go. There we go. There we go.
Wait.
No,
Yo.
you're too far.
No.
I was about to say this nigga came back.
Oh my god.
Bro, I
You
could
gotta
not
run
grab
push me.
him.
Get off my shovel, bitch.
Yo,
Yo, he on
don't
straight
let this
for that
nigga, bro. Don't let this nigga get this shovel.
Oh!
Yo, where the man?
That's crazy.
The man with the shovel at? Move.
That shit husky.
With the shovel, not me.
Don't get me, bro.
Because I'm a fucking...
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Justin, why are you still trying to hit me, bro?
I'm not trying to hit you,
I'm getting mad.
Hello.
Bro,
I
just
feel like there's 2 ice guns in the game right now.
You want some too?
bro, let me get the gun.
Pussy.
Damn.
Give me some
Nigga,
space
bro.
real quick, and then I'll talk about it.
Damn!
Oh.
Yeah.
Yo, Justin, get away from me, dog.
Yo,
Wait,
we-
and wait
Oh.
a minute.
Bro! Wait, Justin can't wait. Justin
Hurry
can't.
up.
Go, go. And one. And
Yes,
one.
sir.
And
Yo.
Put out.
Beat them all.
if you went up there earlier, oh.
If you jumped out early, you'd have been good.
Get that shit out.
Yeah, get this nigga Ed, bro. Get this. Wait, get Ed, bro. What are you doing? Get Ed. Get Ed, Lil. Oh my god.
Move, Justin. My dick.
Oh, he just beat him to death.
Yo.
Ah, buddy, buddy, go.
These niggas in there drop.
Damn.
Oh shit. Not like this.
Feet chill, bro. Feet chill.
Wait, hold up.
We're in it.
Yo, die. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh,
Yo,
chill.
who had the taser?
Oh.
Chill, feet. Chill, feet. Why we can't hit each other? Yo, we suck. I need tasers now.
I got Ed. I got Ed. That's all that mattered. I got Ed. That's all that mattered.
Yo. Oh yeah.
You're done, Ed. You're done. You're done, Ed.
No.
Justin.
I'm scared.
Get his ass.
No, no.
Bro, look, bro. Sorry, bro. Sorry, bro. Sorry, bro.
Get down.
Drop kick off the top, Justin.
I'm sorry.
Justin, where are you going?
Come on, Jeff Hardy.
You know what?
You gotta win.
Go back.
You have to win. You have to win.
You have to win.
Oh, let me get my stamina up real quick. Let me get my stamina back up.
Come on, Brendan. You have to connect one of these. Yo.
Oh, he got a gun.
Not the taser. Drop the taser.
He got a gun.
Tasers don't offer no fucking help.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
These are double-edged sword, bro.
He started folding. The nunchucks.
Bro, the nunchucks, bro. Somebody grab him. This
I ain't
nigga.
messing with those tasers.
Oh.
Feet, don't touch him. You fucking stupid dickhead.
Bro, I wanted to wham on him. Bro, why is I'm getting double teamed, bro? Get off me. There you go. There you go. Oh my fucking god.
This
Justin.
nigga punch-
Justin.
Are you dead, Pete?
Ugh.
This nigga.
Bro, I'm not rapping with y'all no more, bro.
Poison coming from there, bro.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah,
Oh,
Pete,
yeah.
get down, the poison.
Oh yeah, you got Swan
Yeah,
top.
get down.
I thought they both played fake dead. For a
Yo,
second.
facts. Oh,
Yo,
oh,
this
wait,
gas
we
tripping
got-
me out.
Pete, no.
Feek, you have to survive. You have to
In the center,
survive.
Pete, in the center.
Get out, get out. Damn, damn.
Yeah,
Yo, you
well,
gotta get out the
fuck.
gas. You gotta get out the gas. Oh my god, he checked. He just
Yes,
checked.
sir.
What?
He just
What?
He just swung around the nunchucks and just dropped.
Bro, I was just sitting there vibing.
Fucking stupid. I'm gonna beat his ass. Yo.
Hey, you always on the way, go. Bro, get off me.
Oh my god, yo.
Oh, the shovel.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
I'm gonna be vibing down here.
Damn! How
Yo,
did
you
get over
right.
here?
You right, I'm chilling.
Yo, why they coming now?
Bro, I don't even want you, bro.
Yo,
I
that's crazy.
don't even want you, bro.
Fucking crazy.
You can't recover on the plane at all.
Yo, facts. If you miss a drop kick, you flying.
Justin, go my dick, nigga.
Hey, get off of me.
Oh,
I got you.
Get off me.
get off me.
Get this bunny off the plane.
Baby.
Yo!
Hey, I didn't even mean to do it
Get
that time,
bunny off
bro.
the plane.
I did it twice in a row.
Oh.
Oh, there go the stun gun.
Fuck.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We out of here. Yo, we out of here.
Oh my god. Hey, why are you like this?
How easy is it to get the plane?
That's what I'm saying. The plane go by fast, yo.
Get off me too.
Dang! Oh no. That's crazy.
You going by yourself this time.
He got me.
Feet, chill, bro. Chill.
God.
Feet, get Justin out, bro. Yo, Feet, help me, nigga. Feet, you
He
out
tased himself. He's gonna fall off again.
Oh,
Damn, Justin, who's it?
Who's alive? Oh, it's just feek.
That was my dub.
it really wasn't.
I smoked 3 people.
Oh yeah, here we go. Yeet! Oh my god, I didn't hit none of y'all.
Waving on everybody.
Dick, Feet, woo.
Waving on every.
Damn.
Lil, that's how you feel, bro?
Yo, we're talking right here.
Damn! I'm just getting rocked.
Bro, I tried to wham on Justin and I...
Start begging for his life. Oh shit.
I'm gonna be chilling.
Off me, bro.
Pussy.
All I gotta do is dodge
How
it.
y'all fight me again, bro? Pussy.
Damn, I'm gonna just let
Come
y'all.
on, Dick, nigga.
Oh, I got you, Justin. Oh my god. Get up! Get up! Oh, let me get off the edge. Oh, let me get out of here.
Damn.
He wasn't even
Yeah. Oh my god.
Feet.
Nah, get away from me with that.
I knocked myself out. That's crazy.
This nigga Feet.
Wait, start freezing.
He did that shit.
Hold on, watch this.
All you gotta do is grab this nigga, bro.
Oh.
Damn.
Kill nigga Justin.
Damn.
Alright, watch this.
Oh shit.
Watch this. Damn!
Damn.
Easy. Easy.
Oh, what the hell? Why is this on leaning? Yeet! Oh
Get
my
bossed
god.
around.
Hey, wait.
Yo,
so
that's how
much
you
time.
feel? Thank
That's
you, Justin.
crazy. He
Thank
was
you.
going
Whoa,
for the
Justin,
knee.
what's up with you?
No.
Justin, don't let him kill me.
I had to, bro.
That man out of
My
here. Hey.
I think it's just like slightly higher than him.
Oh my god, here we go.
Oh my god, Lil.
Lil, chill.
Wham on Lil, wham on Lil, wham on Lil.
Oh, he got the gun, he got the blicky, get him. Oh, get his ass.
Yeah, you say that, you gonna throw me in there?
Oh my god.
Feet,
That's
stop, bro.
crazy.
Stop. Last.
Lil, you gotta cut that out. Bro, you gotta cut that out.
He got the gun now, he got the gun.
Oh, Justin, get him.
You get him.
Justin, you can't let him win. Justin, you gotta get him. Justin, you gotta get
You
him.
gotta get him.
Bro, he got me, bro. I slid up.
He gonna spam the gun.
Hey.
That's why this map trash.
Say
We
something.
gotta do the
right now.
water map now, yo.
You can't recover on this map at all.
Oh, he spawned right next to me. Yeah. Go right to sleep. He right to sleep, yo.
Such a pussy ass nigga.
Yo, I'm slumped.
Bro, you
Alright,
hate to
yo.
see it.
Yo, Lil never played a water map, right?
No,
I
Lil
do.
always played the water map. Lil broken on the water map.
I selected all of them. It's gonna go on all of them.
Oh, alright, it says
Do we only have 3 maps?
Yeah, that's it. It's still a beta, remember?
Come on, brother.
Come on.
Whatever. When
Might as
is
well.
the full game coming out, yo?
I have no idea.
I'm not paying for it either.
I bet you're gonna be saying about Gang Beast though.
Better get my joint free 99. Bro, I don't appreciate y'all keep robbing me of my dub. Especially
Get on
you
my ass,
and
yo. Oh my god.
If you kept me alive, it would have been me and you last, nigga.
stop the
Could've
cap.
been an easy dub, bro.
Damn, I see
No,
you,
you
Justin.
just-
Scratching this shit.
It could have been an easy dub, Feet. Do what?
I don't know. It just does it randomly, yo.
Oh, that's a gun.
Starts with the gun. That's not.
Oh, got me. Got me.
Go, Justin, go.
Got me.
It's my gun. Let go. Bro,
Get your ass out of here.
bro. I'm mad we got out like that, bro.
Bro, right?
Bro, why y'all niggas? What the fuck are y'all niggas doing?
Bro, they clown whenever.
Duck, stay kill or.